Okay, something a bit easier in this video, a little bit of tidying up. So actually what I'll do is I'll grab all of these bits and I'll push them further up to the top. The other thing I'm going to fix though is what you might have noticed happening if you save your project, quit and then come back. It appears to not be working anymore. And this is actually because this slider here is resetting back to 0 every time. All of these sliders and numbers, they all default back to a 0 value. Now, okay, you could go through and find all of them and adjust them every single time you want to use this, but that's going to be a bit annoying. Instead, I'm going to use a form of message called a bang, and a specific type of bang. Bang is essentially, as in pure data, a go instruction. It says do your thing, output your output, do your calculation, whatever it is. The form of bang I'm going to use here is a load bang. So when this project loads, it outputs a bang message. And I'm going to follow that by another type of object, which we've not used yet, but we discussed them briefly, a message. And this is going to be 0.5. I can patch this from here to here. And then I can patch from here to here. Now, the way that a message works is when you click on it, it outputs its value or sends out its instruction. I mean, you can put a lot of things into a message, but if I leave edit mode, if I turn this down, and if I click now on here, you'll see a black box surrounds it, and you notice the fader has jumped up. It has outputted a value of 0.5. Now, of course, I could have left that as a button, and every time I open up the project, I can click on that and it'll output that 0.5 to the fader, but I don't need to now because I've actually set to the live input of this 0.5 message a load bang. So the moment this project opens, it outputs a value of 0.5 from this message, which goes into this fader or slider, which sets the level to, well, about half. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. You'll be using this type of bang messages and the like, and load bang, as I said, for things like presets and memories and stuff we can play around with if you want to take the synth further yourself at a later date. Okay, see you at the next video.